So try to breathe right here for me. And then with your shoulder, if you can, let that kind of go down.
Oh,
Yes,
you caught me.
Yes, sir. That was money today.
Mm.
Let's bring this on down. We got some new teeth. What do you think?
Oh, I love it. Feels so good. I feel rejuvenated, refreshed, and energized.
Absolutely. That was a money adjustment today.
Well,
Can we get an African rhino hoorah?
African Rhino, I summon you.
There we go. There it is. Thanks, man.
Thank you so much. Awesome, man. We got to keep it going.